but you know that I tried.
Scared. Okay, put your feet on there.
Call you on the phone and write you letters
Keep your legs straight.
just to make time go
Let go.
by.
Yeah.
Gasoline, hotel rooms are keeping me away from you. It's been a damn long day and I'm still tired, got miles of road to go. This cup of coffee keeping me wired and the windshield's getting cold. And I'll be damned if I'm getting any more used to this being alone. And I can feel you here with me through the song on the radio. The song on the radio. Tell me that you never got together to be torn apart. And I can see that fire burning in your soul, way out here in the dark. My hands are dirty, but my heart is true, and I can't wait to get back to you. It's been a damn long day and I'm still tired, got miles of road to go. This cup of coffee keeping me wired and the windshield's getting cold. And I'll be damned if I'm getting any more used to this being alone. And I can feel you here with me through the song on the radio. Song on the radio.
Hi, baby girl. What, Echo?
Gasoline, hotel rooms are keeping me away from you. It's been a damn long day and I'm still tired, got miles of road to go. This cup of coffee keeping me wired and the windshield's getting cold. And I'll be damned if I'm getting any more used to this being alone. And I can feel you here with me through the song on the radio. The song on the radio. The song on the radio.
I'm taking a video.
The song on the radio.
Hurry, my phone's on the Oh my
Back
god!
on love, I guess I could have done better, but you know that I tried.
Y'all are gonna go in with it. Oh my god!
Call you on the phone and write you letters just to make time go by. Gasoline, hotel rooms are keeping me away from you. It's been a damn long day and I'm still tired, got miles of road to go. This cup of coffee keeping me chilled, scared, and cold. And I'll be damned if